Hey, how you guys doing? Another video. Today we're gonna be doing a review of my Jeep. It's a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. And let's go ahead and take a look around on what I have done to the Jeep so far. All right, so in the front we have a Smittybilt RC Gen 1 bumper with a Smittybilt X2O winch. This is the steel cable. This is not synthetic. Eventually I want to do a swap to synthetic rope. This is a 10,000 pound. So far I like it. It's reliable. Next we move to headlights. Those are from Amazon. Really cheap headlights. They're really good compared to the stock. You definitely need some upgrade your headlights. Inner fenders, Nemesis Industries. I like it because you can have the little space for the reservoir so you can actually see it. Eventually I'm doing the Nemesis fenders itself, so it's gonna cover this gap that you're seeing right there. Wheels and tires. I have a 37-inch needle trail grapplers. Those are 37 by 1250 by 17. Wheels itself are KMC bead locks machete. Those are 17 by 9. Really nice wheels. I like them a lot. You can lower the pressure on the tire till like 5 psi and that bead is not gonna pop. Side steps. We got the Smittybilt. Those are body mounted, only 2 points, so I don't like those. I wouldn't recommend them. If it's just for a step, definitely they work. If it's for off-roading purposes, not enough protection, nope, go ahead with something else. Suspension. We have a 4-inch lift TeraFlex long arm kit with the Falcon shocks with the 3.3 adjustable shocks. So definitely something really nice. I would recommend to get those if you're in the market for some shocks. Definitely is gonna be worth your money. If we move to the back, tire carrier. Poison Spyder tire carrier. This is body mounted side to side, so the weight of the tire is not holding on the gate. So definitely something nice. I have a lot of experience on tailgates. I'll be doing another video on that, on why and what happened to me in the past. Rear bumper, again, Smittybilt XRC. This is the 2nd generation, so it has those skid plates. It has the LED backup lights. So really nice. So if you're camping or you're off-roading at night, you can do turn on the light so you can see better. Brake lights are still the stock ones. I just smoked the lens itself, put some LED lights for backup, and really nice, sturdy. And the inside we have the Braum Elite X seats, 4 of them with the harnesses and the harness bar. These are Rock Hard 4x4, really good brand. Definitely I would recommend to check all this stuff. They have cages, the harnesses bars, and other good stuff. For the rear seats, they were not bolts on or anything like that. I had to get a bracket. I used a Mastercraft bracket. It works really good. I had to drill some holes, but it works. It's sturdy, and I have more leg room now than I used to have with the stock seats. In the inside, I have the Trail Dash 2. Really nice setup. I have it in the middle, so it's really nice. I have here my switches, which I only have one working right now. I'm gonna set up the 2nd one for the air compressor. In the inside, we bed lined the interior at the Tampa Jeep Lab, so I don't have any carpet, just the rubber mats, so easy to clean. Bartact grab handles in the rear as well, so those are needed because nothing comes with them. Have a high lift, really nice high lift, and I'll show you now. My compressor is still not completely hooked up. I'm gonna swap it from the engine to the underneath the seat in the front passenger, but haven't done much here in the engine. It's dirty, I need to clean it. All right, so stuff that I need to do to the Jeep, I still need to change the axles to Dana 60s or anything 60. I would like to go with TeraFlex again. I love their products. They've really been helping me out with the suspension and everything. So shout out to TeraFlex. But besides the axles, I want to go to 6 inches after I have the axles and go to 40s so I can go up north and check out the gnarly trails that we don't get here in Florida. But if you have any questions, follow me on Instagram, copperhead_JK. Ask me any questions that you may have on regards to the products that I have in the Jeep. I would like to assist you with those, give you my feedback. And again, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.